welcome to this video. And today I'll be finishing off the choreography for what we did last class. Yes, so our dance is Dance Party by Bounce Petrol. I hope you all remember the name. Yeah. Okay, so today I'll be finishing off the choreography, and this is the part 3, the final and last video about this song. Yeah. Okay, so let us all begin. Okay, now before starting your dance, kindly go back to the previous video, kindly see, kindly revise everything, so it will be easy for you to remember what we did last class. So now and then come back to this video. Okay, so in the last video, I ended up spinning round and round. That was the last step that we did. Okay, now in the next step, it's very simple. Yes, so we'll place our hands on our waist. Now they say step to the front. So we are going to take one step forward and nod our head, and then they say step to the back. So we are going to go back and nod our head. Okay, so again one more time, 5, 6 and go. Step to the front, step to the back. Yes, and try to do it with smile and energy. Step to the front, step to the back. And now if you all remember, we are turning. Remember, we were jogging and we turn. Yes, in the live session I taught you this step. So the same step we are going to do. Now the last 2 steps is the same that we did. Okay, so now we are going to turn from our left side, jogging on a place, turn, 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 jump and open up your leg, and then again we'll begin with, it's a dance party, everybody's dancing. Yes, the same thing. Tap, 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 right hand, left hand again. Okay, so let us do it one more time. We'll step forward, then we'll step back, and then here we go, we'll turn from our left side, doing jogging, and open up our feet, and then we'll start with the right leg doing it's a dance party. Okay, so let us do it. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. Step to the front, step to the back, turn, 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 and stop, and tap your right leg 4 times. Shake your right hand, shake your left hand, tap, 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 shake your right, shake your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your right, shake your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your right, shake your left. Very good. Now we are done with the dance. Yeah, the choreography is done. So now let us try it on the music. Yes. Okay kids, one more thing is that when you dance, you have to put some energy and smiling face when you dance. Okay, then your dance will look awesome. Yes, you all want clappings for your dance, right? So you all smile and dance with full energy. Okay, come on, let's get ready. Let us do it on the music, and then we are done with this song. Spinning round and round. Spin, spin, let's dance, dance, dance. 5, 6, 7 new steps. Step to the front, step to the back. Done. Here we go, let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's do the dance, turn the music up, sing along, clap your hands. It's a dance party. Come on, very good. That was awesome. Now let us all dance from the beginning till here. So we are done with the song. Okay, let us do it from the beginning and till here. Okay, you have to stand with your positions ready. Okay. Let's do the dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do the dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do the dance. Everybody's jumping. Music is pumping. Everybody's jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Step to the left, left. Step to the right, right. Here we go, here we go. New steps. Wow, that was great. I hope you all enjoyed this song like I did teaching you all. Yes, so now next class, yes, next class I'll be, or next video I'll be with a new song. So are you all ready? Yes? Good. So I'll be coming with a new song again. But before starting a new dance, I want you to practice this steps and songs at home, so then only we can move on to our next song. Okay, so kindly practice at home with your mama and papa, teach them also. Yes, so we'll be ready and prepared for the next song. Okay, so bye bye all of you, stay home, stay safe and keep dancing. Bye.